Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Facebook app on your iPhone and start right in. Now to download and install the Facebook app on your iPhone, first open up your app store, which is this one. You can see there is the app store just above the settings. Tap on app store, and after that you can see the search button available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that search button and search for Facebook on your iPhone like this and enter, or tap on search again. And after that you can see the Facebook app is available at the top of the screen. Tap on that Facebook and you can see the cloud icon over there. Tap on that cloud icon which is the download, and the download process of Facebook has started, guys, but you will have to wait a few minutes or few moments until the app is downloaded. And there, guys, the Facebook application has been successfully installed on our iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.